Hmm. Yeah. How do you like yours done? Yeah. Really? Do you think you could eat a whole one? Okay. Rare? What is it, Stevie? What's mommy doing? Me? What? Me? Me. Who wants chicken? Stevie? Do you like chicken? Why do you eat it on the carpet? Tastes better there?
You see that?
Do you want that? Mm. Stevie, look, jump up. Oh, yes. Do you want this? Yes, I will make it. I will make it for you. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Here, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Oops.
Do you get it out?
Okay, done. That's the last one.
Do I feel like you're done, Stevie? He says no.